The Virginia Department of Health just announced that some health districts here in Central Virginia will be expanding the Phase 1B group vaccinations. CBS 6's Caroline Colburn is at the Richmond Raceway Complex where a mass vaccination event is being held today. Caroline?
Well, Cheryl, organizers say they expect around 3,000 seniors to get the single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine today here at the Raceway. And starting today, more people in the Richmond metro area are eligible to sign up for mass vaccination clinics like this one. Big news Monday morning for those still waiting for a COVID vaccine.
We are expanding who we're currently vaccinating to all of 1B.
Richmond, Henrico, and Chickahominy health districts are increasing eligibility to all frontline essential workers and to those aged 16 through 64 with qualifying health conditions.
People are definitely excited.
In Chesterfield County, those in the first 6 categories of Phase 1B, like grocery store employees and mail carriers, can now get the shot.
We're going to hit the ground running, making calls and sending emails today to start to get to people registered.
Another group jumping to the front of the line in Richmond and Henrico, restaurant workers.
We also know that food service workers tend to not have paid leave, tend to be uninsured or underinsured, may not be financially stable enough to take off work, often come from underserved communities.
This eligibility expansion comes as a mass vaccination event at Richmond Raceway over the weekend fell more than 2,000 people short of its goal. Officials believe they've made significant progress vaccinating seniors.
We had the staff capacity and the supply to be able to vaccinate 5,800. We reached out to many people, much more than the 5,800, and then ended up with around the 2,000, 3,000 mark who actually registered for the vaccine.
To those who are still not eligible and waiting.
I know it's really tough, but expect that we'll get a vaccine to you soon.
While Richmond metro area residents in Phase 1B are able to register for the COVID-19 vaccine starting today, health officials say it may take several days or even weeks before you can actually get an appointment. Now, because of the surplus of vaccines from Saturday's event, they say you can also expect additional mass vaccination events like this one here today to be scheduled in the coming weeks. And another important thing to note, both today's mass vaccination clinic and the one scheduled for Wednesday, they're both appointment only. Working for you in Henrico, Caroline Colburn, CBS 6 News.